Hello, everyone. Today we are going to do a packet tracer of CCNA1 version 7.4.7.1 packet tracer. Connect to the physical layer. Objectives: identify physical characteristics of Internet working devices. Select the correct modules for connectivity. Connected devices, check connectivity. In this activity, you will explore the different options available on Internet working devices. You will also be required to determine which option provides the necessary connectivity when connecting multiple devices. Finally, you will add the correct modules and connect the devices. Part 1, identify physical characteristics of Internet working devices. Step 1, identify the management ports of a Cisco router. Management ports. A, click the East router, the physical tab. East router is in the middle here. Click, we're in the physical tab. It's active, so zoom in. I move to here. Okay, the question is, which management ports are available? Management ports. Here, management generally refer to remote management. So that means through these management ports, we can remotely access and configure this router out of band. Out of band takes away any network ports, which include Ethernet ports and serial ports. That means Ethernet ports and serial ports are not management. So look at here. These two ports are gigabit Ethernet ports, so they're not management. These two are USB ports, not management. These two ports are high-speed serial ports, not management. And these two ports, aux ports and console ports, they are management ports. Because console ports is that we connect a console cable into this port from a PC to remotely configure this router out of band. So console ports is management ports. Aux ports is for modem connection. We connect a modem into these aux ports, and we dial into that modem from a PC to remotely access and configure this router out of band. So aux port is management port. So here's the answer. All right, two ports, console ports and aux ports. Step 2, identify the LAN and WAN interfaces of a Cisco router. Which LAN and WAN interfaces are available on the East router and how many are there? These two ports, Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet ports, these two are LAN interfaces. And these two serial ports are WAN interfaces. So 2 gigabit Ethernet ports are LAN interface. 2 serial ports are WAN interface. Click CLI tab, the command line interface, then enter. Okay, here they ask us to use show command, show IP interface, brief. Okay, here's the output verifies the correct number of interfaces and their designation. The VLAN 1 interface is a virtual interface that only exists in software. VLAN 1 is here. It's a virtual interface. The question is how many physical interfaces are listed? Physical interfaces. The answer is 4. Here, 4 include 2 gigabit Ethernet interface and 2 serial interface. Gigabit Ethernet interface is a LAN interface. These 2 serial interface are WAN interface. So answer is 4. And we can use this output to answer this question too. the WAN and LAN. LAN is this gigabit Ethernet. WAN is serial ports. The next, enter the following commands, show interface gigabit Ethernet. Okay, let's go to show interface G00. Okay, so what is the question? What is the default bandwidth of this interface? So G00 bandwidth. Let's look here. BW. BW stands for bandwidth. So what is the bandwidth? Here's the 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1 followed by 6 zeros. That is 1 million. 1 million kilobits. So bandwidth is 1 million kilobits. 1 million kilobits equals 1,000 megabits. 1,000 megabits equals 1 gigabit. So the bandwidth is 1 gigabit. So this interface is gigabit interface. Okay, so here's the answer. Okay, so 1 million kilobit, 1,000 megabit, 1 gigabit, gigabit Ethernet. Next is to show interface serial. Show interface S000. Okay, what is the question? The question, what is the bandwidth of this interface? Bandwidth S00 is here. Bandwidth is here, BW. Bandwidth is 1,544 kilobits equals 1.544 megabits. So it is a T1 connection. So answer is here. Okay, this answer. The bandwidth on serial interfaces is used by routing processes to determine the best path to a destination. It does not indicate the actual bandwidth of the interface. Actual bandwidth is negotiated with a service provider. Okay, step 3, identify module expansion slots. How many expansion slots are available to add additional modules to the East router? East router, okay, slots. What is slots? This is a slots. Okay, zoom out, you will see. This is slots, this is slots. But this slots is in use, so it's not available. So this is a cover plates, not. So only one, this black. This one is the available slot. So the answer is 1. So answer is 1. Click switch to. Let's close East router, switch to. Okay, what is the question? How many expansion slots are available? Slots. There are 5. Answer is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slots are available. Here there are 5 slots too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But these 5 slots are in use, so not available. These 5 slots, the 4 of them is with the gray color. That is because the cover plates on it. So at this black one, no cover plates, so it's black. So totally 5 slots available. Here's the answer, 5. 4 with cover plates, 1 black, no cover plates. Part 2, select the correct modules for connectivity. Step 1, determine which modules provide the required connectivity. Click East and then click Physical East. So let's close switch to East, Physical, yes, it is here. On the left, beneath the modules level, you see the available options to expand the capabilities of the router. Click each module, a picture and a description display at the bottom. Familiarize yourself with these options. So here's the module. You click the module, all these modules are listed here, and these are their names. And when you click one of them, like this one, HWIC-1GE-SFP, you click this module and look at the bottom on the right corner. Here, this is how this module look like. On the left is the description of this module to tell you what this module do. And here, and this is HWIC-2T is look like this. This module, second module look like this. Looks like this module looks like the same as this one, that one that are in use. Okay, look at here. Hover to here. Yeah, HWIC-2T. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, these are the same. All right. So, and you can add these different modules to the slide that depend on what you want to use them. This one for HWIC-4ESW look like this, the 4 switch ports. So he's a provider for switch ports that look like this. And the HWIC-BA is look like this. It's 8, like a connection to console ports. This is cover, it's cover plates, and this module is Gigabit Ethernet ports for Cisco Industrial Ethernet. All right, so next is a question. You need to connect PC 1 to 3 to the east router. Okay, PC 1 to 3 connect to east router, but you do not have the necessary funds to purchase a new switch. Which module can you use to connect the 3 PCs to the east router? All right, so right now on this router, east router, there are only 2 LAN ports, LAN interface. But here they ask us to connect 3 PCs to east router. So right now, so east router doesn't have enough ports to connect these 3 PCs. So that's why we need to add modules, add extra modules here to expand the connection. So which module we need to use? Let's which module can you use to connect the 3 PCs to the east router? All right, this one is not. This one is a single wide. This is not. 2T is not. This is for the serial link. No, WAN. No, it's not. We need a LAN. And this HWIC-4ESW. Yeah, probably this one is what we need. 4 switch ports are here and can connect to these 3. And this one is not. The 8, the connections to the console ports. No, it's not. This one, cover plate is not. Okay, this one gateway. No, it's not. So it's this one. This module we need to place to add to this slot. All right, so let's add. Okay, when you add, you can drag from here to drop here, or you can click here and drag to here. Either way is fine. So we do here. Okay, here is the cannot add a module when the power is on. Okay, so here look at the green. The indicator is green, so that means the router is on, is power on. So we need to click it. The switch, it turn green. It turn gray. That means power off. So we can add module to here. All right, so turn on again. The answer, okay, which module? The answer is here. The answer is, okay, this 4ESW is this one. How many hosts can you connect to the router using this module? Using this module, we can totally connect 4 hosts to this router because there are 4 switch ports are available. But here we only use 3 of them. In the future, If you need, you can add one more to the fourth port. So answer is 4. Okay, so answer 4 switch ports available. Next, click switch 2. So we need to close east router, switch 2. Which module can you insert to provide a gigabit optical connection to switch 3? Switch 2 to switch 3. A gigabit optical connection. So optical is a fiber connection. Gigabit optical fiber connection. Which module? Okay, let's look at one by one. This one is the single Ethernet port. No. But here doesn't mention the fiber. Okay, we need a fiber connection, so it's not. Second one, you can look at CFE. FE is a fast Ethernet. The first C is copper media. So this is copper media for fast Ethernet. So it's not this module. So here is the fast Ethernet, copper media. Yeah, it's not this one. The next one is CGE. GE is Gigabit Ethernet. Gigabit Ethernet is right, but this is CG is copper. No, we need a fiber. So this is copper. No, we don't need this one. Next one, FFE. FFE, the FE is fast Ethernet. Okay, the first F is fiber. Yeah, here's a fiber media, good, but is fast Ethernet. We need the Gigabit Ethernet. Okay, it's not this one. So the next one, FGE, right, this one is what we need. It's a Gigabit Ethernet and fiber. Okay, correct. Okay, Gigabit Ethernet, optical net connection. Yeah, this is what we need, this module. And this one, as internet inclusion, no, it's not this one. So this module is what we need. It's 1FGE, this one. Okay. All right, so this one, the module is PT-switch-NM-1FGE, this module. Okay, now we can add this module. Okay, add from here this time. Click, drag to here. Yeah, cannot add. The power is still on. Okay, power is here. We click it, turn off, and add these two here. And turn on again. All right, so we finish this part. Okay, next, add the correct modules and power up device. Yeah, we did it already. Step 1, yes, we did it. Cannot add on, yes, power on, power off, release. Okay, so use the same procedure to switch to, yes, correct. So next, show IP interface brief on switch to. Here's switch to. Go to CLI and show IP interface brief. Okay, so what is the question? On switch to identify the slot in which the module was placed. Into which slot was it inserted? All right, here. Okay, look at here. The physical ports totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 physical ports. And look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six physical ports are in use. Here, the 0, like a fast Ethernet, 0/1. There are two numbers, 0/1. The first number 0 before slash represents slot number. So here's a slot 0 is the first slot. The 1, this number represents the port number, the port of 1. So fast Ethernet 0/1 interface is on slot 0 port 1. Look at here. This is the first one. Slot 0, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5. The slot 5 is the one we insert the module. Okay, look at here. Here's a slot 0, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5. Slot 5 is where we insert the module. So the answer is slot 5. The interface, the port 1. So interface gigabit Ethernet 5/1 is on slot 5, port 1. So answer is here. Slot 5. Okay, gigabit Ethernet 501. Okay, next, connected devices. This may be the first activity you have done where you are required to connect the devices. Although you may not know the purpose of the different cable types, use the cable below and follow these guidelines to successfully connect all devices. Select the appropriate cable type, click the first device, select the specified interface, click the second device, and select the specified interface. Okay, let's go to physically connect these devices. First, from east to switch 1, east to switch 1, use copper straight through cable, and copper straight through cable is here. So east gigabit Ethernet is 00, G00 is here. Switch 1 is G01, G01 is here. Okay. Second, east to switch 4, east to switch 4, straight copper straight through, east is G01, G01, to switch 4, G01, G01. We can use the fast forward button to, these turn green right away. And the third one is east to PC1, PC2, PC3. So PC1, PC3, okay. These use copper straight through. So east fast Ethernet 010, 010 to PC1, 010 PC1, okay. 011 fast 011 to PC2. And fast Ethernet is 012, 012 to PC3, okay. And next is switch 1. Switch 1 to PC4, switch 1 to PC4, 5, 6. Okay, straight through. Switch 1 is here is 01, fast 01. PC4, 02. PC5, 03, I think it's 03, yeah, to PC6. Okay. Okay, it's fast forward. Yeah, turn green. So now we finished switch 1, switch 4 now. Switch 4 to switch 3. Switch 4 to switch 3. So copper crossover. Because the switch to switch, these two devices are the same type. So we use crossover. So crossover is this. Switch 4 is G02, G02. Switch 3 is 31, gigabit 31. Okay. Next is switch 3 to switch 2. So use fiber. Yeah, Yeah, this is the fiber. We just added the module for switch 2, the gigabit Ethernet for fiber, the ports. Okay, here is fiber. Fiber is this one, orange. So switch 3 is 5.1 gigabit Ethernet 5.1 to switch 2 G5.1 as well. Okay. Next is switch 2 to PC 789. Okay. So we use straight through. Okay, switch 2. Switch 2 is F01 to PC 7. And F11 to PC 8. F21 is for PC 9. Okay, so fast forward. Good. So next is switch 2 to access point. Switch 2 to access point, we use straight through. Okay. Switch 2, 3.1 gigabit Ethernet. 3.1 to access point is here. Next is east to west. East router use the serial DCE. It's a serial link WAN interface. Okay, this is serial DCE. East S000 to west S000. Okay, so we connect all these devices physically. Next, check the connectivity, check the interface status on each. On each east, click the CLI, show interface. Okay, east here. Show IP interface brief. Show IP inter brief. Okay, so compare the outputs of the following. Yes, they're the same. Yeah, here 0001, 0001 serial to serials. This IP address. So up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up. Yeah, up. Yeah, correct. All right. So next step 2, connect the wireless devices, laptop and a tablet PC. Connect these two, laptop and the tablet PC, to the access point. Okay, click the laptop and go config tab and choose the wireless 0. Here's the wireless 0 interface. Is for Wi-Fi. All right, so here port status, check on. Okay, look at here. When you check it, when you look at here, look at the topology when you check on. So connected laptop, wirelessly connect with access point, use the wireless, the Wi-Fi. And now we need to verify if the internet works. So we go to the web browser, desktop, laptop, okay, web browser icon. So we enter www.cisco.pka, then go. Still in process of connection. All right, so we wait a little bit. We wait a little bit. And I go back again to check. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes. Yeah, works now. So the laptop access to the Cisco packet tracer, the web page. So internet works. All right, so next, click the tablet PC, select the config wireless 0. Yeah, do the same thing. So connect tablet PC, config wireless 0. Okay, here on, click on, yeah, tablet PC connected to access point now. And next, we need to verify the connection. We go to the web browser to check if tablet PC can access internet. Right, we do the same thing. www.cisco.pka. Probably still takes some time, but no problem. We just wait. Yes, it's still in the process of a connection. Let's go back, get out, and enter again. www.cisco.pka. Still in the process. All right, we'll wait a little bit longer. No problem. Okay, go. Yeah, connected. So tablet PC connected to access point. Oh yeah, we need to verify. Oh, verified already. Yes. Okay, so next is change the access method of a tablet PC. Click the tablet PC config wireless uncheck, then clear and change to the 3G, 4G cell. Okay, now is right now the tablet PC is using wireless to connect access point through this access point to access internet. So now they ask us to switch the access method to the cell tower. Use cell tower to access the internet. Okay, let's go to config. So we need to disconnect the Wi-Fi. So here, uncheck on. All right, so disconnect it. Then we switch to a 3G, 4G cell 1. That is from the cell tower. Okay, click on. See, yeah, connected to cell tower now, tablet PC. So tablet PC right now switched their access method to cell tower, the cellular signal. All right, so now we need to verify the connection to see if tablet PC can access internet. So go to web browser, www.cisco.pka. Probably will take a couple of minutes as well. Let's try. Yeah, so in the process, we have to wait a little bit. And we can go back and get in to see. Still in process. Don't worry, just be patient and wait. It will go through. Yeah, go through. So now tablet PC can access internet through cell tower. It's good. Verified. Change. All right, so next, check connectivity on the other PCs. All the PCs should have connectivity to the website and each other. You will learn to use connectivity testing in many upcoming labs. So let's just try pick up from PC6 pin PC4. Go to command prompt, the pin. PC4, let's find PC4's IP address. It's from here, desktop IP config. Okay, the IP address is 172.31.102. Okay, pin 172.30.1.102. Yeah, success, TTL. And we close it, go to web browser to go to here. Yes, here website, the PC6 access this website. So it works. All right, so, and next we need to here, the completion status 100%. That means we perfectly finished this package, connected the physical layer. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you next time.